Hello and welcome back to Digital Smart Teacher. In our previous lesson, we created a simple table in Microsoft Access. Today, we will learn how to edit and format fields in that table that we created to make our database professional. What is editing? Editing means changing or adjusting existing field. For example, if you want to rename your field or you want to change your data type, it's known as you are trying to edit that particular field. Format helps to make data more readable. For instance, if you want to define field size, the size at which a character will be contained in a field is known as you are trying to format that particular field. Now, how to open or edit field in data design view? You open your database, then you open your design view. To open by default, this is the design view. You go to this place and this view and click on design view, or you can right click on the table name and you click on design view. Now, how to rename a field? If you want to rename a field, you click on that particular field you want to rename. For instance, I want to rename this full name to become student name. You click on it and type the name you want to give it to, the new name you want to give it to. Then if you want to change the data type, you go to the table, the field you want to change data type, and go to its data type. For instance, I want to change this age data type from text to number. I will click on the data type along with the age and you select the data type you want it to be. Then to add a new field, want to add a new field, I will click an empty row and put in the field I want to add. For instance, I want to add address. I will put an empty row and put the field and also the data type. Then as for formatting, for instance, I want to format the student name field. I will click on the field I want to format and I will go to this place, field property. I want to make this field size to be 50. The reason why for it is I want the maximum character of a field, that the character you're going to put in this field, to be 50. It shouldn't exceed character 50, both alphabet and alphanumeric or special character that will be entered in this student name. Let it be 50 maximum. That is for field size. Then for format, let me use a date of birth. I want to change the format. I want to customize the format for date of birth, the way it will be arranged. Maybe let me use short date as the format I want. That means it will be with this format: the day, the month, the day, and the year. So let me select it. That is the format I want it to be, short date format. Then input marks, let me use phone. I want to change the input marks for this phone field. I will select input mark and select this row. It will ask to save my changes. Now this is the input marks wizard. You select the input the way you want the phone number to be imputed. That's the way you want the phone number to be imputed. By default, it is phone number, so you have to select this and click on finish. Then the caption says that you want what you want the user to see in each field, the name or the thing you want the user to see. You don't want them to be seeing what you as the designer have here, rather you want a different thing. You want them to be seeing a different thing. You go to caption. For instance, let me use date of birth. You know that in database you don't need to put space under the field, so but in this case there is no space, so I want the user to see my birth date. That's what I want the user to be seeing. Then let's save it. Ctrl S and open what we did. Let's see how what we did works. I thought I've saved this. Is it that my control is not working? Okay, let me put student name. If you look at this, Have you seen my birth date instead of date of birth? Because I changed the format to my birth date. That's what you are seeing here, my birth date. Then let's talk about the format of the date of birth. You see, look at what is shown to us for us to select. Because of the format I selected, that was why this is being shown. You can change format of this input marks and to know how every of the function there works. Okay, we have edit field names and data type. We added new field, use field properties like format, input and caption, and we save changes and view our results in this lesson. That's the preview or the recap we did in this lesson. Great work. In lesson 4, we'll learn how to create relationship between tables in Microsoft Access, and that is the powerful key point of Microsoft. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Data Digital Smart Teacher for more easy computer lessons.